Talk about Revent, yeah. What
Sure.
is Revent? और कभी शुरू हुआ ये and what is that idea that sparked and you established Revent?
So a little bit of backstory. Me and my co-founder Baldeep, हम दोनों नून में थे.
अच्छा.
We met there in 2019 and we had the good fortune to build Noon's pre-owned products program, which is called Renewed by Noon, right?
Correct.
So and this obviously needed certain specific measures, pre-owned के nature के हिसाब से. So we realized after some time that this needs independent approach, and we said okay, इसको करते हैं. And we were speaking to a few angels. One of our angels decided to bet on us, and he said okay, he committed about $500,000 of funds, and that's when we said okay, let's go and execute this. We have recently launched this AI agent which automates your IT all L1 issues, मतलब सॉफ्टवेयर रिलेटेड इश्यूज को वो ऑटोमेट करता है.
सबसे पहला सोल्यूशन रीस्टार्ट तो नहीं कहता है कि रीस्टार्ट कर लो, क्योंकि हमारे आईटी से जब भी पूछते हैं वो बोलते हैं रीस्टार्ट कर दो यार, हो जाएगा, ठीक हो जाएगा सब.
So basically वो क्या करता है कि it's an AI, you know, it's easy to now put in AI into a lot of things. तो वो क्या करता है कि वो एक नेचुरल लैंग्वेज इंटरफेस देता है आपको. So आप उसको बोल सकते हैं कि यार मेरा सिस्टम हैंग कर रहा है, या आप कह सकते हैं कि मेरा कैमरा नहीं चल रहा है. तो एक डायग्नोस्टिक्स रन करता है, उसके पास सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन है आपके डिवाइस का और उसके पास एक्सेस है टू नॉलेज बेस. वो एक डायग्नोस्टिक्स रन करता है और वो कहता है कि अच्छा लगता है ये इशू है, ड्राइवर अपडेटेड नहीं है, वुड यू लाइक मी टू रन दैट. आपसे पूछेगा और आप बोलेंगे हाँ, तो वो कर देगा. एंड उसके बाद लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरीज. हम पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर सब कुछ बना के बैठ गए, एंड फर्स्ट डे वी वर वेटिंग फॉर कस्टमर्स एंड देयर वाज नो वन, एंड वी रियलाइज्ड कि यार यू नो इट्स नॉट जस्ट दैट, राइट? Probably then we realized कि while we had done everything, the marketing was a central function at Noon, and we were not responsible for bringing traffic. So bringing traffic जो है वो 50% of the job है. फिर हमने उस पे काम शुरू किया, and so on and so forth.
Fantastic. अगर वो रेवेंट के वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे या ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, what are the options available और उन्हें क्या मिलेगा वहाँ पे?
So typically this solution, device as subscription, is for small and medium businesses. So होता क्या है कि they have limited capital. Or if they go and buy, a lot of that is used that they would want to use for growth.
Correct.
So this works very well for them. It gets spread out monthly expense में.
Right.
And what happens is that because we used quality pre-owned, the prices of these subscriptions are on an average 30% lower, and maybe more sometimes. Businesses are they don't just want efficiency and performance, and we own the quality. So downtime hoga, that is our ownership, so we promise an uptime. Second, let's say aap 10 employees hire karne next month. So you need to think here we would have to find
Laptops.
30,000 40,000 dirhams to equip them, right?
Yeah, those resources.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If you are renting, you don't need to do all of that. You just need 4,000 dirhams, and you can get them on board and make them go. So that is why people come to us. It's very easy for them to either they can go to the website, find the best plan which works for them, get the devices, and then check out. 48 hours when they get the devices, or simply send us a mail at care@revent.store, REVENT, care@revent.store, and our team will suggest them the best device as per their budget and their functional needs. If by renting your net expense on equipments is better than the net expense on owning them, right? Buying and keeping them, maintaining them, and all of that. So typically we try and show that in 3 years you would have spent more than if you would have rented them, and after 3 years you would scrap them.
Superb.
So that's the idea.
Is what
That's
you
the
give.
idea. A lot of people don't get it because owning is so central to our psyche, right?
For listeners new to this idea about device as a service subscription, how does Revent's pay-as-you-go pricing work, and how did it come into practice?
So basically, when as a business owner you have to equip your team, the only way which comes to mind for most people right now in this region is that I'm setting up a company or I'm hiring new people, I go and buy these devices. And that means a direct outflow of capital. What we suggest is that you don't buy and get your capital stuck in depreciating assets. Eventually ये assets lose करते हैं अपना value, और आपको scrap value पे बेचना पड़ता है. You can rent from us. And because we used quality pre-owned, we use quality pre-owned electronics, we can show you कि जो जितने भी टाइम में आप depreciate करते हैं अपने assets को, आप अपना allocate करते हैं, उतने टाइम में नेट आउटफ्लो जो आपका है वो कम होगा जब आप रेंट कर रहे हैं. दैट इज़ वन. And number two is that obviously for small and medium businesses, for bigger businesses, capital might not be an issue. Small and medium के लिए capital is one of the most precious assets, right? They want to make sure कि we use this in marketing, right? We use this in ads. We use this to hire more people, to make more calls, and not to buy assets. They are just depreciating assets. So that's how it works. You just buy, get the device, pay monthly, and we take care of everything else.
So if you could give us a brief idea, for example, एक नया वाला आप लेते हो, let's say 4,000, तो यहाँ पे आपको 30-40% और 20-30% मिलता है डिस्काउंट.
So
If I want to just buy it, let's say.
Okay, वैसे ये वैरी करता है ओवर द जनरेशंस. पुराने डिवाइसेस थोड़े ज़्यादा डिफरेंस होते हैं, नए वालों में थोड़ा कम होता है, बट टिपिकली ये 20-50% के रेंज में होता है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप आईफोन 14 देखें, सो प्री ओन्ड वर्ल्ड में आईफोन 14 right now is selling very very well. So 14 में easily 30-35% difference होगा for a good quality iPhone 14.
How has the response been, Dhananjay, so far? I think 3 साल के आसपास लगभग हुआ है. How are the businesses responding so far?
So so far it's been really great. Just to share with you, we have been nominated by Ministry of Economy as a Future 100 company.
Wow.
Amazing.
Many congratulations.
Thank you.
Sustainable
Thank you for that.
is very very welcomed है ना यहाँ
So
पे?
twice in a row we have been nominated. So ideally these 100 companies are supposed to take UAE into the future. We are also one of the very few, less than 30 as far as I know, companies who have Majra seal. UAE का CSR arm है. It's a government arm. So they have given us a Majra seal because of the work we are doing in sustainability and with SMEs. So there's a lot of credibility associated with us because we have been in this region for last 3 years. We have been working with consumers and SMEs, and we have had really great feedback from our users.
So that's a question in my mind. If someone wants a specific electronic item which may not be listed on your website, can they reach out and ask for sourcing it perhaps?
Yeah, absolutely. So it happens all the time. So like I said, you can always reach out to us at care@revent.store.
Okay.
So our customer care works on this, and somebody will immediately respond within a day typically.
Dhananjay, on a sustainable level या फिर the environment level, this really has convinced you the idea of pre-loved electronics, because e-waste is a big issue, you think?
Yeah, it's massive. I realized that any point in time मेरे ड्रॉयर में एटलीस्ट 3 से 4 phones होते हैं
पुराने.
I'm not giving them up only because of some blob in my mind. That thing is very primitive, not to give things away, right? But that is causing a massive e-waste problem. And with Revent, that is something which we have realized, and we are trying to encourage people to give up the old devices, to start using the old devices.
Correct. और ये quality check आप कैसे करते हो?
Basically, we have an in-house software which is called TrueCheck, which is an internal tool. This TrueCheck does a 80-point check on all pre-owned electronics which we buy and we list for selling or we send to customers. So this is an automated, this is a software which tests every aspect of the functionality of the device. और cosmetics जो है वो हम खुद check करते हैं. We have a thorough process of checking the cosmetics which is checked by eyes, by human eyes.
As a consumer, for example, हम सब जो है हमें भी थोड़ा ध्यान रखना जरूरी है.
Absolutely. I mean, at least what we can start with is conscious consumption, right? So we only consume what we need, not what we want. So when you really need a new device, तब आप new device खरीदिए. जब आप new device खरीद रहे हैं, if possible, either give it back to somebody who can recycle, or pass it on to somebody who can use it.
Correct.
So that एक नया device नहीं आए.